we're gonna make fascinator hats to watch the royal wedding. So here's a couple that are completed, and all this stuff is from the dollar store. So, and I'll take a picture of one of us wearing it, or all of us wearing it. We'll see. And so, what you need is, all this stuff's from the dollar store. They have, by the stuff to make wreaths, they have little birds, they have butterflies. By the hair stuff, they have these packs. This is a good one, pack of 6 headbands. And by the 4th of July stuff, they had, my phone's going off. Just don't pay attention to it. These rolls of deco mesh. So what I did was cut about one piece that's about 2 feet long and one piece that's about 1 foot long. So this stuff's kind of hard to work with, but I'm gonna find the center. Oh, and I have some chenille stems that I cut in half. So what I'm gonna do is find the center, and I'm just gonna make a bow with this one. So just pinch it up, make one loop, and hold that there. Make another loop, and pinch it up, and hold that there, and kind of open it out. Doesn't have to be perfect. Then I'm going to take the other short piece and kind of from the middle with it, the curl side up. I'm just going to put that right in the center. And then I'm going to take my chenille stem. It'd be better if I had a white one, because this is white. But that's okay, it'll be in your hair and you won't really see it too much. And so I'm just going to give it a couple of good twists. Yes, it's good for demonstration purposes. So now I'm going to put it like at about, you know, like 11 o'clock. If this was 12 o'clock, I'll put it at like 11 o'clock. So I'm just going to twist it onto, oh, someone's phone's ringing. And then I'll just twist this back around so there's no long ends. And then I think this one I'll put maybe a bird on it. Let's see if I didn't break my bird just now. And all I'm going to do is just like find a place on here where I can attach it. And maybe I'll put this green butterfly also.
How does the bird attach?
Well, these have a little clip on the back. So the butterfly and the bird have a little clip on the back. So I think I'm also going to put the, well, let me try it. Put the butterfly on first. And I'm just going to clip it on there. And then kind of, the butterfly has wire in it. And that's about all you have to do. Just kind of fold under the little ends, and then just kind of twist out your little curly pieces. And I don't know if it needs a bird, but oh, well, I'll have to do, this one will be birdless, but that's all you have to do. And you could just continue to play with it until you get it the way you want it. So that's how you make a little fascinator hat to watch the royal wedding, or whatever you want to do for a tea party or anything.